In today's video, I will demonstrate the process of enabling the installation of applications from unknown sources on Android devices. If you wish to install an application from a browser or any other application on your device and encounter an error message prompting you to enable installation from unknown sources, I will guide you through the necessary steps. To begin, access the Settings application on your device. Scroll down and locate the Apps option. Once found, click on it. Next, select the application for which you wish to enable installation from unknown sources. For instance, if it is Chrome, simply select it. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Install Unknown Apps. Click on it and toggle the switch to allow from this source. By enabling this setting, you will be able to install applications from the selected application. You can repeat this process for any application of your choosing. Simply locate the browser or application, scroll down, and enable installation from unknown sources.